5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone freeze. Everyone freeze. Okay. Here we go. Quickly, I'd like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are my students today. Okay, so I'd like you to take your racket and put them over by the wall, and then sit in a semicircle around the classroom. Okay, everybody else, I want you to sit behind the red line because I have some sheets, C9 sheets. And you can take your racket. This is class. Okay, where are we going next? Where we're going next? Okay, have a seat. Have a seat. And if you want to get a pencil, okay, because I'm going to demonstrate a C-lab. It's going to go for about 15 minutes, okay, and then we're going to go back into the classroom. So you folks are going to be assessors. You're going to be watching what I do and going right down the C9 sheet. Okay, so quickly, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Now, you just finished your instant activity. Can you tell me what did most of the things you did for instant activity, what did most of them have in common? Racket, what else? Hand-eye coordination. Hand-eye coordination. Agree? Right? Hand-eye coordination. Today, we're going to work on our hand-eye coordination quite a bit. And in this lesson, can you tell me other things that require hand-eye coordination? In other words, what other activities require hand-eye coordination? Come on, give it to me. What other sports? What?
Baseball, hitting a baseball.
Hitting a baseball, really tough. Golf. That's catching a baseball, especially on the run, right? Where else? Dribbling. Okay, basketball, especially when someone's on you, right? What else? Cross, really tough. Those are good examples. Okay, so today our focus is going to be on the tennis volley. It's one of 4 strokes. So everybody move back a bit. Now this is something. And my name is Mr. Malmberg. I'll be your physical education teacher. This is our 4th lesson. Move back just a little bit more. Great. This is our 4th lesson. And when you hear my whistle, I want you to stop, look, and listen. So when you hear my whistle, you're going to stop, look, and listen. Now, we're going to be working with balls and those smaller rackets today. So here's my safety statement. If you see a ball rolling toward another group, because you're going to be working in partners, you see a ball rolling toward another group, I want you to say, ball. Make them aware that a ball's coming into their zone. Everybody got that? It's really important. If you step on the balls, you can slip. So we all have to be aware. Now, before we start, quick quiz. As I do the tennis stroke, you have to tell me what's the name of the skill. Are you ready? Okay, ready? Here we go. Volley, right. That's the focus of today. When do you think a volley is used? Near the net. It's a fast stroke. It's the easiest of all the strokes, but it has some rules. If you're close to the net, you can't pass your racket over the plane of the net. So we're going to use a particular technique today that doesn't use, this is not a volley. This is. Everybody stand up real quick. Then we're going to use short rackets, and we'll be using fleece balls. Short rackets, fleece balls. Slows it down. You know where we're going. Here's our racket.
Keeps it flat.
Keeps it flat. Keeps it flat. Keeps you from doing this. So show me a big flat racket. Big flat racket. Right. And good athletic stance. Hold it here. You're ready to go. Volley comes to this side and pull your elbow down. Good. Pull your elbow down. The ball comes in. Pull your elbow down. Again. Pull your elbow down. And I see everyone pulling your elbow down keeps the racket from doing that. So whatever your elbow does, that's what controls the racket. Think of the racket hooked to your elbow. Forehand. Backhand. Now watch. Backhand. We're going to take our elbows, sweep the crumbs off the table. And now look at the other side of your racket. The other side, now you automatically, forehand to this side of the racket, sweep the crumbs off the table. You've got it on this side of the racket. Back, pull your elbow down. Pull your elbow down. So with me, let's go to the forehand side. Are you ready? Pull the elbow down. Sweep the crumbs. Pull your elbow down. To the racket, spin, and bang, and bang. Sweep the crumbs, bang. So this makes a little bit of sense here. Forehand. Forehand. When you do go to the racket, one side of the racket, sweep the crumbs. There's the other side of the racket. Okay. You've got 5 seconds to find a partner. Hook elbows. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're my partner now. We're about to do this particular drill. Now watch real close. And then you're going to stand right there and you're back to the wall. And you're going to be my tosser. You've got to be a good tosser. And what I'm going to do is take my racket, get it ready. I'm going to use my hand. And a volley, you got to score fast. So I want to pull my hand down. Don't do this. You're not stuffing. Right? No wrist. Keep it firm. So I want you to cross right there. And I want to pull that ball down to your feet. Elbow down. Boom. Wow, this is good. It's a good score. It goes right down fast and you get the score. Okay, and again. Bang. Good. Right to your feet. Now this side, I've got to sweep the crumbs. Ready? Bang. A little bit tougher here. It's a little bit hard without a racket. But it's a good crack. It's good. And her tosses are right about ear level. It makes it easy. Good. I'm going to try it now with you real quick. We'll go forehand. Are you ready? Good. Did her wrist break? You want to take a good look. She kept it firm. Yep. Good. Go right down here. Ready? Okay, good. Now a little bit on this side. Ready? Nice. That's perfect. Give her a hand. That was great. I want you to find a spot near the wall. Move the rackets out if you need it because that's a safety thing. You and your partner will need one fleece ball to do this. So keep going, practicing right in one of these zones. So we'll have several zones walking down the wall. Make sense? Are you ready? Set, go. You got 10 seconds. Keep going. Go till you hear my whistle. Go till you hear my whistle. You can move some of these rackets in the middle. Good, nice. Good, that's much better. You don't want this. You don't want this. You want this. Watch me when you fall forward. You want to switch? You want to switch? Good time to switch. We're looking pretty good. Okay, freeze. I want everybody to say the cues. Pull the elbows, sweep the crumbs. I want to hear you say it. Go. Go. 30 more seconds. We're looking good. My truck is awesome. Okay, freeze. Let's move to the next lesson segment. Hold on to your police balls. Come on down here. Come on down here. And everybody grab a racket. Everyone grab a racket. Quickly, quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's make a tight circle here. Tight circle because we have to talk about grips. Now, your hand, nice and flat. We're going to extend your hand. The racket becomes an extension of your hand. What controls the racket? Your hand. The direction of the ball and what we're doing. What do you? Yeah, it's your elbow. That's what we've been working on. Elbow, right? So now you can really see it. When I pull my elbow down, the racket head comes down. I'm not thinking about the racket head. I'm thinking about my elbow. Sweep the crumbs. There's the other side. Elbow down, elbow down. Not this, not this. Elbow down, elbow down. Looks like I'm in a parade or something, right? Okay. Now we have to talk about grips, so let's get in tight quickly. Typically, in tennis, there's 2 grips, and we learned this last lesson. Eastern forehand grip, we're on a forehand, it's this. On the backhand, it's this. And you're constantly shifting grips. On this volley, the action is so fast, you don't have time to shift grips. So we're going to use another grip. It's called a continental grip. Continental grip. Now watch, it's very easy. Racket goes straight up and down. Shake hands with it, and you'll see, if you just shake hands with it, you'll see that the V, there's a V right here. There's a V. I'll check it. Check. You want that V right there between your thumb and forefinger? Great. Okay. Good, good, good. Everybody has it. Everybody can see. Now freeze that. Lock it. Squeeze it pretty tight. Okay. Lift it up. Take 3 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3. Get the athletic stance. Looking right over the top. And we're at the net. Ready and pull the elbow down. Sweep the crumbs. Pull the elbow down. Again, pull down, sweep the crumbs, pull down. Now, what do you think we're going to do next? With the police ball and the partner, we know what it looks like on the side. Okay. Where I am right there. Up here. Ready? And. Well, that's perfect. Use the elbow. That's perfect. That was really good. That was okay, we understand the technique, we understand why. Ready, set, go. Go, go, go. Keep going till you hear my whistle. You can go right here, yep. No, one person talks, yep. Freeze that grip. Freeze the grip. Freeze your grip. Great. Nice job. Really good. How far are we?
16 and a half. But you did a little bit of setup with those
Right.
the first minute or so.
Okay, and freeze. Freeze. Freeze right where you are, and take your rackets now and put them against the wall. All right. And I'll see you right in front of the blackboard, and you got 10 seconds. Put the fleece balls right over in the hoops. And sit right next to your partner. Sit right next to your partner. All right. Your partner. Point to your partners. Okay, Chuck, you're in, because you got a threesome here. You got 3 people. Are you ready? You have to explain, all of you now, to your partner. You decide who goes first. You got to explain what an athletic stance is. Go. Very okay, I like what I'm hearing. That's pretty good. Next, explain. Now let's switch roles. This time, explain the continental grip. What are the 3 views of a continental grip if you were to explain it? Yeah. Okay, we're getting 2 of the 3 pretty well. You want to take the racket and hold it straight up. Shake hands with it, and then you're checking the V on top. That's all 3 things. Take a look now at the board. Take a look at the board. How many, and your group has to figure this out, how many of these cues or terms relate to the volley? Go. Go. Ready to vote? Ready to vote? How many? Count them up. 5. Athletic stance. Toss the ball low. We toss the ball high. Yeah. We were working. That one did. Toss the end onto the shelf. That's a serve cue. Use the serve. Right. Fingertip pad grip. That was also for the serve. Eastern grip was serve. Shake hands. The racket. Is that today? Is that today? Is that today? So it is really 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So it is 4.